In this video, I want to make it clear and transparent to you guys about what FNSKUs are, UPC codes, GS1 barcodes, all these barcodes that Amazon asks about. What do they mean? So I'm going to make this video really clear for you guys and help you guys out if you're trying to start selling on Amazon and get it all figured out for you guys. So all I ask you is just hit that subscribe button, like this video if you can. It really helps me out, and all this information is always free. So let's get started. FNSKU, this is the main barcode that you're going to be using. But how are we going to get the FNSKU? So for this, you're going to be buying a UPC code. The UPC code is only to make the Amazon listing. After that, you don't need to use the UPC code anymore. People get confused if they need a GS1 barcode. I personally don't recommend you to get one. A lot of Amazon sellers don't even use them as well. Amazon recommends you to get a GS1 barcode, and it's a lot more safer. Personally, I've been selling on Amazon for 5 years now. I haven't had an issue with using UPC codes to make my Amazon listing. They recommend you to get GS1 barcodes, which is around $200 to $300, and the UPC code is around $1 per piece. So I never used a GS1 barcode ever, and I've only used UPC codes, and I haven't had any issues. And to get a UPC code, you would use I recommend Nationwide Barcode. This is what I use to buy all my UPC codes. You can probably get them around $1. They usually have really good discount codes for around 50% off, but for the most part, it's on average around $1 per UPC code. So you would go on Google, search Nationwide Barcode. This is just one of the many barcode companies out there that sell UPC codes for Amazon. You would buy this UPC code just to make the Amazon listing. After you buy this UPC code and you have the code, it's going to be sent to your email. You're only going to be using this series of numbers, the UPC code, for the Amazon listing. After that, you don't have to use the UPC code ever again. This is just to identify that listing that you created. So after you have the UPC code and you create your Amazon listing, then Amazon is going to provide the FNSKU, which is the Amazon barcode. And this is the barcode you're going to be using from now on. This is going to be on all your products, all your, let's say your boxes, if you have packaging on the outside of it. I personally have all my products, the labels printed on all the boxes of my products. That way my suppliers have to put stickers on them as well, and it saves me money. And you always want to make sure the supplier does it for you, because if you don't put the FNSKU barcode on there and you send it straight to Amazon, Amazon will charge you a fee for them putting it on, and it's pretty expensive. Like, I think as of right now, probably around 60 to 75 cents per little sticker they put, which is costly. I mean, if you're selling thousands of units, that's a lot of money. So I don't recommend that. I recommend your supplier to use that barcode. So where is the FNSKU? So after you make your Amazon listing, on the right of it, on the little corner of the little drop box, you're gonna click it, and you're gonna click print item labels, and that's where you're gonna get that little FNSKU for it. So that's about it, guys. The UPC code is only to make the Amazon listing, and after you make that Amazon listing, Amazon's going to supply you the FNSKU for all your product labels. So each product you make is going to have its own FNSKU label, and this is the label you're going to be using to send to your supplier, have it on all your packages, and then send it to Amazon's warehouse. I personally don't recommend the GS1 barcode. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Trying to make it as clear as possible for you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Also, feel free to reach out to me on social media as well. Here's my Instagram. If you have any questions, I'm more than welcome to help you guys out. And that's about it, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.